I was gifted this C3 Pro 12-in-1 remote control and coding robot kit, and this ended up being such a fun surprise for us. If you're looking for something interactive for kids that actually keeps their attention, this is one of those toys that does it. My daughter is 4, and we had a blast building the different robot models together. What I really love is that it's not just building, it adds this whole extra layer with the coding tiles. Instead of using a screen, you use these colorful cards to program what the robot does, like making it move, light up, or make sounds. It's super hands-on and really easy for kids to understand. The instructions are very kid-friendly too. It comes with storybooks that guide you through each build and activity, so it feels more like an adventure than just following steps. My daughter actually stayed engaged the whole time, which says a lot. Once the robot is built, you can also use the remote control, which connects through Bluetooth, and that was probably her favorite part, actually seeing it move around after we put it together. There are 12 different builds you can make with the same kit, so it doesn't feel like a one and done toy. We've already done a couple, and she keeps wanting to try the next one. I also appreciate how everything comes organized in a storage box, because with kids' toys, that makes a huge difference for cleanup. Overall, it's just a really fun mix of building, creativity, and simple problem solving, but in a way that feels like play instead of learning. We've been reaching for it a lot, and it's definitely something we can keep coming back to as she grows.